So this one, you've got y cubed plus 2 all squared. And again, the most common mistake students write is they square this and they get y to the power of 6, and then they square that and they go y squared plus 4. Okay, that is wrong, because we have terms in here. We have things being added and subtracted, not multiplied. And so you can't just apply the squared onto both things and hope it's going to be good. It won't be good. Watch what happens. When the squared is touching the parenthesis, it actually means parenthesis times parenthesis. And when you actually multiply it out and take your time, you'll realize you've got something quite different than just y6 plus 4, right? So we have this time. This means it's this times itself. Now, once you see that, you might realize, oh, we've got to do the double distributive property. We've got to go this times this and this times this, right? So I'm going to take my time on this one. It's y cubed times y cubed. So I'm going to do like a purple y cubed times the black y cubed, okay? And then so that's the first term. And then it's y cubed times 2. What does that make? What's y cubed times 2?
It's y cubed.
Yeah, it's just 2y cubed. It's kind of like if you said, what's banana times 3? 3b. 3 bananas. Perfect. Yep, that's it. Okay, so y cubed times 2 is just 2y cubes. Right? So then we multiply these guys. 2 times y cubed and then 2 times 2. So what does that give us? What's 2 times y cubed?
2y cubed.
Good. Plus 2y cubed. And then 2 times 2?
4.
Plus 4. Good. Now I'm going to take my time on this here because it's a y cubed times a y cubed. And I'm going to write it out. Y cubed is y, isn't it? And then times this y cubed, which is y. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 y's being multiplied by each other. How can I write that? Y to the power of 6. Good. That's correct. It's kind of like having, if you had 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that would be what?
2 to the 7th power.
Yeah, or there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, so 2 to the power of 6, right? Good. So we have y to the power of 6, and now we've got, what do we have next? 2y cubed plus 2y cubed. What does that make?
4y to the power of 6.
It's 4y cubed. It's just like if I said I have 2 apples plus 2 apples. What's that?
4 apples.
Good. I have 2 zebras plus 2 zebras. What's that?
4 zebras.
4 zebras, as they say in America. We say zebras. What if I had 2x to the power of 11s plus 2x to the power of 11s? That would be
4x to the power of 11.
4x to the power of 11. So here we're just adding like terms. Okay, so for that step there, this is just adding like terms. 2y cubes and 2y cubes is 4y cubes, right? And then at the end we just have plus 4. Okay. Now can we do anything more to simplify this expression? Okay. Okay.
They're not like terms.
Right, these are not like terms. I've got a y to the power of 6, a y to the power of 3, and a number. So these are not like terms, and so that is the final answer. Okay. What's the difference between this correct answer and this most common incorrect answer up here? What's different?
Well, there's 4 y's and not just 4.
Right, we've got 4y cubes right here. So if you just apply the squared on both things, you'll mess it up. You'll miss out your middle term, right? So always when you have a square touching parenthesis, always just expand it out just to make sure that you're not making a mistake, right?